morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's June 3rd, AT day 118. Man, almost 120 days at this. It's 6:15 in the morning and we left our shelter. We didn't really stay in the shelter. We stayed in the campsite next to the shelter. Reason we're leaving so early is we're trying to beat the rain again. Looks like scattered rain showers this morning and thunderstorms beginning at 1 p.m. So we have a couple of obstacles today. Coming out of Lehigh Gap is about a 1.2 mile rock scramble up a hill. It's supposed to be really tough, and we don't want to do that in a thunderstorm. And also we need to get past the Superfund site. It's an area that's been so contaminated from mining that the water is undrinkable. So any water coming from a spring in the area is so toxic with heavy metals that you can't drink it. So the whole area is polluted along the AT. So we should get past that today. And then we'll be at Filbert Bed and Breakfast this afternoon. Hopefully we beat the rain. Hopefully we get to fly Cyclops coming out of Lehigh Gap. And then I'll get my new trekking poles at Filbert. All right, let's hike. See ya! So some awesome trail angels have put water caches in several road junctions because the groundwater is undrinkable around here. Crazy, huh? All right, we're coming down into Lehigh Gap. We've got to cross that bridge you can see in the distance, and then we have to go up this mountain. Now we go up all those rocks you see up there until we get up into the clouds. We're gonna try and fly Cyclops while we're doing it. Not sure how that's gonna work out. 12.7 mile day today. You see us over here at the Filbert B&B. We got off the trail right here at Blue Mountain Drive. But small day today because it was going to rain, and we had to stop at the Filbert to pick up a couple of mail drops that we had. So we started off at Bake Oven Knob Shelter. Not a very good shelter. And we left there about 6:10-ish in the morning and just kind of cruised all down this ridge line. It was rocky in some parts, but nothing really spectacular. Then we began our descent down into Lehigh Gap, and this is the bridge we crossed. And then right about here is where we begin our uphill. We turned right, and then we began our uphill views. That's funny. Up the rocks and the boulders and stuff that we climbed up until we got to the ridgeline. And keep in mind, I was trying to do that all while flying the drone at the same time. That was actually quite difficult. And then once we got on the ridgeline, there was like a 2-lane road, and we just walked along that 2-lane road, and then went past all these areas, except right here is probably the worst water in the world right now, most dangerous anyway. And then we ended our day right there, and got off and went to the bed and breakfast.